In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram messages not working, not showing or not sending. For that, first of all open up your control center. From here ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable, or you could simply try switching off the Wi-Fi, then waiting for a few seconds and after that switching it on again. Or you can simply try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. After that, simply click and hold on to the Instagram icon, then click on More Features, then go to App Info. From here click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will see Clear Cache written in bright red, simply click on it. After that open up Play Store. In the search bar search for Instagram. From here check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And even after that, if it is still not working, then simply open up Instagram. Then click on your profile in the bottom right corner. From here click on this 3 lines menu bar. Scroll till the end, click on log out, then confirm it. After that try logging back into your account. And even after all of these, if it is still not working, then simply press and hold on to the power button. Now simply turn the slider upward and then restart your device. After your device is restarted, simply try relaunching Instagram. And even after all of this, if it is still not working, then that might be the server issue of Instagram. You can try launching it from browser, or you can simply wait for some time and Instagram will fix the problem. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.